Hello, welcome to my SK exploring classes. Here are the trigonometry inverses. The simplification of the trigonometry inverses by the suitable trigonometric substitution. So, what is the meaning of the trigonometry substitution? Suppose you will get here are some function relating with x. Here are the some function relating with x. These are the function of what x. Instead of what this x, you take what some trigonometry value. So this is known as what trigonometric substitution. So why we take the trigonometry substitution instead of what this x? Because after putting the trigonometric values, the whole function become very simple. Okay, for simplification and for integration, for derivative, all these are very important. Okay. Here type and substitutions are given here. Here root over 1 minus x square, this is the type. If it is given in this form, then you take what x equal to sin theta or cos theta. If it is x square minus 1, then you take what x equal to sec theta or cosec theta. Here all are given here. So here you get instead of these three values 2x by 1 plus x square or 2x by 1 minus x square or 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. In these three cases you take x equal to tan theta. But you will get little exemption is there. What is the exemption? Root over a square minus x square. Here root over 1 square minus x square. 1 means 1 square. Instead of what 1, here it is what a is given. So you take what here. If it is given 1 minus x square, if it is what a square minus x square, then you take what a sin theta or a cos theta. The first values you will get what you give first priority. Look at x first value and second values. There are two values are there. So the first values you give the first priority and the second values you give the second priority. Okay. So these are the format. Here something is written. A root over 1 minus cosine theta or root over 1 plus sin theta is given. Then it can be reduced. If it is plus 1 plus sin theta, then it can be reduced cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. If it is 1 minus sin theta, it can be reduced to cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Okay. So here are the some substitution, measure substitution. By putting the substitution, you simplify the what inverse values. So let us discuss few example by what using these substitutions. Very in detail we will discuss one by one. Look at this. So now get the application of this format, the substitution we have already discussed. How do we apply this substitution methods? Before starting this, here is the concept to you. For example, here is the sine inverse and sine x. Sine inverse sine x equal to, you will get what x. Because sine inverse and sine will cut. Cancel, then you will get what x. In this way, if you show this one sine something, then it will reduce into what some value. Suppose here we get sine inverse, here also sine inverse is there. If it is what sine something, for example here sine inverse sine 3x, then you can what 3x, you will get what sine inverse cut. So by proper substituting, we will get what? We will reduce this value. So how to reduce, you will get here. So instead of root over 1 minus x square is there, format number 1 I have told this one. So instead of x you put what x equal to sin theta, you put x equal to sin theta you take. Because I have told root over 1 minus x square, substitution equal to x equal to sin theta. Then theta equal to sin, if you take this side, here it will be sin inverse x. You will get instead of x you take what sin theta, because here root over 1 minus x square is there. I have told instead of what x you take what sin theta. Now you take this one. So the given, let this one equal to what y equal to this one, you take this one equal to y. Therefore y equal to what? Here you put what sin inverse. Instead of x you put sin theta, then 2 sin theta root over 1 minus x square means sin square theta. here sin inverse 2 sin theta into root over 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Root over cos square theta equal to, this is what, cos theta. So this is again, there is the formula, you know, sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. So instead of this value you put sin 2 theta. So up to this mark is sin 2 theta. Here is the sin inverse. Okay. So sin inverse will cut, then you will get by 2 theta. So 2 theta equal to, you know, here theta equal to sin inverse x. Then instead of theta you would sin inverse x. So this is your final answer. When sin inverse 2x plus root over 1 minus x square reduced and simplified, then we get what to sin theta by proper substitution. Here what type of substitution is we have taken? X equal to sin theta, because here root over 1 minus x square is there. But here in the second problem, look at what type of substitution. Here I have told 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Then instead of x you take what? Instead of x you take tan theta. Oh sorry. Instead of x you take what? Cos theta or cos 2 theta, etc. etc. Cos theta or cos 2 theta, whatever that means. You look at it. So how to solve these problems? So here look at. Let this one equal to y, you say. Y say. So instead of what x, here written what t. So you write what, putting t equal to cos theta you put, because I have told the formula, you know, that is theta equal to cos inverse t. Cos you put take that side, then it will be what, cos inverse t. Now simplify, then we y equal to what? Here you see y equal to, here tan inverse, instead root over 1 minus t, you know, t we have taken what, cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. You know, there is the half angle formula. 1 minus cos theta, half angle formula is there. Then I will write the half angle formula. What is the half angle formula of the half? 1 plus cos theta. This is what, 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the formula. Half angle formula of 1 minus cos theta. And here another formula, 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Here 2 will get cut. Here sin square by tan square is, sin square by cos square equal to tan square. Tan inverse root over tan square theta by 2. Okay. Here root over tan square will cut, then we get what? Tan inverse, here tan theta by 2. Here tan and tan inverse will cut, then we get what? Half theta. Half theta. That is half theta, instead of theta you put what, cos inverse t. So in this way you solve the what, problem by using what, substitution method. So here are the other two problems, problem number 3 and problem number 4. In this case I have told root over a square plus x square. If it is substitution is given what, root over 1 square minus x square means 1 plus x square, then you take what? Then you take what, instead of x you take what, tan theta. But here a square plus x square is there. So in this case what you take, putting x equal to a tan theta you take. If it is a, then you take what, a tan theta. If it is 1, then you take what, tan theta only. Okay, that is the difference. So first of all you take what, x by a, you write what, x by a equal to tan theta. Then theta equal to, tan you take this side, then it will be tan inverse x by a. Okay, finally you put these values. Now you come here, you say this is the y, say this value which is given, we start now. Okay, so y equal to, y means this value. Now put what, instead of what, x you put what, a tan theta. Here you write what, sec inverse. So here root over is there, you put what, root over a square, you write a square simply. Then x square, x equal to a tan theta, then x square equal to what? A square tan square theta divided by a, you write what? A. So which one is the common in numerator? A square is the common, but here is the root. If you take a square outside, then it will be a. So here it is a root over 1 plus tan square theta by denominator a is there. So here sec inverse, you write sec inverse. Okay. So cancel what? A and a. Here 1 plus tan square is there. 1 plus tan square, you know, sec square. This is what? Sec square. This what? Sec inverse sec square theta root over. This what? Sec inverse root over sec theta equal root over sec square theta equal to sec theta. So sec and sec inverse will cut, then we'll get what? Theta. So theta this is. So now the finally you put what? Instead of theta you put tan inverse x by a. This is the final answer. So the reduced value of what? This is equal to tan inverse x by a. Similarly, you know, the another problem, the next problem is also there. So I have told this one, if it is what? X square minus 1, here written what? Again I just remember this one, x square minus 1, then you take what? X equal to sec theta or x equal to sec theta or cosec theta. Sec theta or cosec theta, x equal to this one. If it is x square minus 1, then you take what? X equal to sec theta or cosec theta. Here you take this one equal to y again. Okay. Now what value you take? What? T instead of t. Here if it is what? X square minus 1, then x equal to sec theta or cosec theta. But here it is given what is t square minus 1. So instead of t, now you write what? Putting t equal to sec theta. T equal to sec theta, because here t is there. So theta equal to, you write what? Sec inverse t. Now put it here and simplify. Therefore y equal to, so what value of y is there? So instead of t you put what? Sin inverse is there. So 2 is there. Root over. So t equal to what? Sec theta, then it is what? Sec square theta minus 1 by t square, means again here it is what? Sec square theta. Okay. So now simplify this, then we'll get what? Sin inverse 2. Yes, sec square theta minus 1, you know, sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan theta. Tan theta root over equal to only tan theta into, here you look at 1 by sec square is there. 1 by sec square, instead of 1 by sec square, you write what? Here it is what? 1 by sec square is there, then you write what? Cos square theta. Cos square theta. Why it is 1 by cos square equal to sec square. Now again you simplify. Here it is what? Sin inverse 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta into, here cos square theta. So cos square theta. So cos 1, cos will cut. Then remain what? Sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta is there. This sin 2 theta. This equal to 2 theta. This equal to 2 theta means instead of theta you put what? Sec inverse t. 2 sec inverse t. These are the answer of these two problem. Okay. Here is the another important problem to you. In this case, I have taken already, this is what? Y. Here is the formula, something formula. Before what? Putting something, just to change this value, you write in this form tan inverse root x minus x by 1 plus, here it is what? Root x into x. You know, here x to the power 3 by 2 is equal to root x into x. Root x means x to the power 1 by 2 and x means x to the power 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. So instead of what? X to the power 3 by 2, I have taken what? X to the power root x plus into x. Okay. So now look at So now here is the substitution. Let root x equal to 10 alpha you put and x equal to 10 beta you put. Separately you take what these two values. Okay. So now look at, now you take here, therefore y equal to what value you will get? 10 inverse. So instead of x you take what? 10 alpha, here 10 beta by 1 plus 10 alpha into 10 beta. So here is the formula, you know what formula you will get here, 10a minus 10b by 1 plus 10 into 10b. This is 10a minus b formula. So you will get what, 10 inverse 10 a minus b means alpha minus beta. Okay, here 10 inverse and 10 we got, so then we will get what, alpha minus beta. So here y equal to alpha minus beta. So instead of what alpha you write what 10 inverse root x, because you look at here root x equal to, this is what, 10 alpha means alpha equal to 10 inverse root x, you write 10 inverse root x. Here also beta equal to 10 inverse x. So now get here root x equal to 10 alpha, alpha equal to 10 inverse root x. Here x equal to 10 beta, then you write what, beta equal to 10 inverse root x. Root so only x. So instead of what x alpha and beta, you put alpha equal to 10 inverse what, root x, and beta equal to 10 inverse x. This is the final answer, you know, the simplification form of this one equal to what, this. Okay, so this is. Then if you like my video, and share it to another and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video.